Hi everybody, welcome to Model Trains. So today we're looking at my Christmas Locomotive from 2023. I know I'm a bit late with the review, but I wasn't making any content back then and purely just getting back into the railway hobby. Well, I think I got back into the hobby about maybe September 2023. So my wife kindly bought me this Liliput track maintenance locomotive for my Christmas last year. It's Liliput's part number L133011. It's OBB operator in Austria, track maintenance Dresine, yellow ERA 5 HO scale. It has full lighting, warm lights for interior in the cabin, as well as 3 directional lights each end depending on which direction it's moving. It's also got a Next 18 DCC interface. The interface is a NEM 662. I guess that defines a particular DCC socket. Now, the list price of these is quite high. The recommended retail price is £162.25. In euros, it's listed at €184.95. But really, your target price is to get anywhere between, I suppose, in pounds, between 80 to sort of £90. Now, I'm glad to report I did manage to find some pictures of it online, of the vehicle in real life. And I was glad to finally manage to find something on it. Nice to see it in real life. Now, the coupling types on these are the European couplers. It's a NEM 362 European style. And this model was launched at the Nuremberg Toy Fair in 2020. The name of that toy fair is Spielwarenmesse. This toy fair it's actually the largest international trade fair for toys, games, model trains, model cars, etc. So it's the largest in the world. Now back to this Liliput model. I think it's absolutely fantastic. It's incredible, actually, the size of this model. It's very, very small. I'm going to take some pictures of it next to a Caledonian pug, which many railway modelers would either own or would certainly know it. And that would give you an idea of the scale and size of this when you see it next to a Caledonian pug. So let's have a look at its running characteristics, track performance. You can couple this up to wagons, etc., but I think it looks ideal just running on its own. So let's get on the track and have a look. Okay, so here's the Liliput track maintenance vehicle. I'm going to run it around in sort of daytime conditions, and then we'll switch to nighttime so we can see the lighting on this. Okay, she's on half power, and we'll head her off to the track. Now, she's got excellent scale speed. That's 50%. And I don't know what the real speed was in real life for this OBB track maintenance vehicle, but I love the speed of this thing's going. It's very, very controlled. Yeah, even over the points, considering how tiny it is generally quite well behaved. I don't see it stumbling or cutting out too much. Very rarely. Just a fantastic locomotive. Now I remember when I got this locomotive last Christmas, and it just blew me away, like how small this model was, and that, you know, I had quite a break from railway modelling just because of work, career, family stuff, and so it was quite a number of years, and I thought, wow, technology has moved so far. Look how small this locomotive is, and they've managed to get, you know, a motor, a 3-pole motor inside this, and lighting, and it's die cast, and just glazing, and just all the details that this model has. It's just incredible. Now let me stop right there. We'll switch the lighting to nighttime. Right, we'll bring her back around this way. Hopefully you'll be able to see the lighting. Yeah, what an amazing model. Yeah, it's one of those, you know, when you get a wonderful model in your collection, it's almost like you get the feeling you don't want to wear it out by running it all the time. And that was the thing I felt about this OBB thing. It's not that it's a delicate model, but it's just such a beautiful locomotive, and I didn't want to run it every 5 minutes. I would just bring it out on the odd special occasion. But certainly every time I bring out this locomotive for a quick running session, it always puts a big smile on my face. It is an absolute cracker. So I'm going to put the scoring up on the screen. So in summary, would I recommend this locomotive? Absolutely, absolutely. If you can get this sub £100, I would definitely recommend this locomotive. And when I do go DCC and I can add sound to this, which is amazing that you can get a DCC chip in a model this small, but it says that I can, takes an X18 decoder, so I look forward to that when I can fit a decoder and get some sound on this fantastic model. So yeah, highly recommend it, and 25 points for this loco is totally fair in my opinion. So that's it, that's the Liliput model, and we'll just put the studio lights back on to daytime. Yes, I hope you've enjoyed this episode and the review of the Liliput track maintenance locomotive, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.